You get my point? Uh-huh. Alright, so mount your camera on a tripod using landscape. You can even choose to use portrait, it will still work. You get my point? So what you're going to do is you don't even need to record an empty background for this particular video tutorial. You have to walk in there, make sure your camera is facing where people are passing or where cars are passing, understand, like a busy place. Then you can go in there and just do whatever you want to do. You don't have to be too fast, just you do your normal thing. You can just stand like that, then at some point when you are done with what you are doing, you can walk away, then allow the camera to still record, understand. You can allow it to record for up to 5 minutes, like extra 5 minutes, and make sure people are passing and cars are also passing. You get my point? So when you are able to achieve that, you can now save the video to your gallery and head over to Capcut. Alright, on Capcut, click on new project and import the video you just recorded. So here is the video. You get my point? So now you will have to mute the background noise. Like you click on this mute clip right here. You get my point? So now to confirm that, you will have to go to volume. Now before then, you click on the video layer. Just tap on the video layer and now go to volume. Then click on volume. You will see that it is reduced to 0. That's to confirm that the noise in the background is reduced to 0. So now this is how we want to start the video. We don't even need an empty background, like I said. So now go and look for adjust, because we want to increase the video quality. You get my point? So look at adjust, click on adjust. You can decide to use auto adjust here. You get my point? You just tap on it, then it will you see the changes here on your screen. But I like using the manual method, understand. So I'll just go to brightness, then I will increase it to 20. You get my point? Then tap on contrast, then I'll work on, just play around with all this, understand. So contrast, I will take it to 15. I will leave it at 15. You get my point? Please follow it step by step. Just don't rush so that you will not miss any part. If you miss any part, you have to start all over again. You get my point? Now saturation 10, brilliance 10. You get my point? Then this sharpen, you are going to increase the sharpen to 100. You get my point? Now go to clarity, increase it to 50. So if you leave it there at 50, this is what you're going to get. You get my point? Now you can click on OK. Let's continue with what we were doing. So now this is how to edit this video. So now you're going to move the video to that part where the character leaves the scene. Let's keep moving. Just use your finger. You can use your finger to scroll it so that you get to that part where the character leaves the scene. So let's go there. So from this part, immediately the character is about to leave the scene, you can tap on the video layer, then you click on split. When you tap on split, tap and hold this other side, then you will have to switch it to this other side. You get my point? Something like what you see right here on your screen. So the video is going to start from that empty scene where the character is not there. I don't know if you get my point, but let me know you understand in the comment section. Understand? So now from this part, this particular character layer, you have to tap on it. Now go and look for overlay. Go and look for overlay. Now tap on overlay right here. Use your finger to drag it to the beginning of the video. You get my point? Keep dragging, keep dragging, keep dragging, you will drag it to, you recorded like 4 minutes of the empty scene. So you have to drag to the beginning of the video. So guys, thank you so much for liking this video, because I know you already like this video. And if you've not liked this video, please do well to like this video. Please like this video so that YouTube will distribute this video to a larger number of people on this platform. We need to grow. So now we want to decide on how we want our video to start. So I want to start from this particular point here where the character wants to walk in. So I'll tap on the second layer, tap on split and delete the beginning. Then I will tap and hold, drag it to align with the beginning of the video. Guys, am I too fast? If I'm too fast, you let me know. If I'm not too fast, you let me know. So look at as it is now. The main character layer is shorter than the empty background, but don't worry. So now you have to tap on the second layer. I don't mean this first one, I mean the second layer, the one under. So now go and look for mask. Go and look for mask, bro. Go and look for mask. So where is the mask? Alright, so see mask here. Now click on mask. So you click on rectangle, tap on rectangle right here. So as you can see, we have two different colors there. It doesn't blend. So what you need to do, you just tap on the adjust, tap on the size, then you do a little adjustment right there. You get my point? Then adjust to make sure it shows the character completely. You get my point? Something like what you see me do here on screen. Now the next thing for you to do is to go to that fader, increase the fader to 100. Increase the fader to 100. You get my point? So to make the character transparent, so you can see through the character. So that is just, you can click on OK. Now when you click on OK, the next part for you to do is for you to tap on the first layer. When you tap on the first layer, now let's go and look for speed. So you click on speed, click on normal, then you are going to increase the speed to 15. Let's say 15 times. Understand? 15.4. I'll leave it as 15.4. Now you leave it there. Understand? So as you can see right here, the second layer now, because of you increasing the speed on the first layer, the second layer is shorter, it's longer than the first layer. You get my point? And we want this particular video here on the second layer to play to the end, and everything should play to the end. So look at the video here, and some people are walking slowly, some people are walking very fast. Even me, I was just very slow. I didn't do anything faster than before. So this is how it's gonna be. You tap on the first layer, then go and look for duplicate. Where is duplicate? So where is it? Click on duplicate right here. So it's gonna duplicate it. Alright, so let's allow it to play a little and let's see what we got. You get my point? So let me use this opportunity to tell you guys that if you're not subscribed to this channel, guys, you are missing a lot, because we drop video editing updates back to back here on this channel, and you need to turn on that notification bell by the side of that subscribe button so that you'll be notified anytime I drop another amazing video editing update like this. You get my point? And please don't forget to be liking my videos. I'm begging you in the name of anything you serve, please like this video and make sure you share this video on your social media platform. So now tap on the first layer. Now do the adjustment and make sure both layers align together. You can tap on the first layer, split and delete the ending part, so, and make sure they align like I said. When that is done, you are good to go. So you can now export your video to your gallery. So see you in our next video.